In today's digital age, cyber attacks are increasingly common and are no longer just a concern for large corporations. Individual users are frequently targeted as well. Fortunately, there are effective strategies to protect yourself from these attacks. Here's how you can safeguard your computer from hackers. Understanding hacking attacks and how to protect yourself. First, it's essential to understand what a hacking attack is. It is one of the most common forms of cybercrime, involving unauthorized access to a computer or network system. The effects of such an attack can be devastating, including the theft of confidential information, malware infections, network disruptions, and even identity theft. Additionally, these attacks often lead to significant financial losses, especially when hackers gain access to banking information. Securing your computer in a connected world. With our devices almost always connected to the internet, securing your computer is of paramount importance. Some key protective measures include regularly updating your system as recommended by the manufacturer and exercising caution online to avoid phishing scams. Protecting your computer from viruses. In addition to defending against hackers, it's crucial to protect your computer from viruses. Start by using strong, unpredictable passwords that are at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using personal information like names or birthdays in your passwords. It's also important not to share your passwords and to be cautious so that your credentials do not fall into the wrong hands. For added security, consider installing antivirus software and a firewall. Essential tools for protecting against hackers. One of the first lines of defense against hackers is a firewall. A firewall prevents unauthorized access by making your computer invisible to hackers who are scanning for potential targets. This is akin to telemarketers dialing random numbers in search of someone who will pick up. Many operating systems come with a built-in firewall, but it's important to ensure it is activated. For beginners, configuring a firewall might be challenging, so following manufacturer guidelines or seeking expert advice may be necessary. Additionally, installing antivirus and anti-spyware software provides another layer of protection. What to do in the event of a cyber attack? The best defense is prevention, but if a hacker attack occurs, it's important to remain calm and take immediate action. Disconnect your system from the internet to prevent further intrusion and report the incident to the appropriate authorities, such as the police or a dedicated cybercrime unit. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe, like, and comment for more cyber videos.